Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we're working on this 2019 Jeep Wrangler. We'll show you how to replace this 12-volt battery right here under the hood. It's pretty easy to get to, but it's always a good idea to check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a Jeep Wrangler like this. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Next, remove the protective cap and then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using that 10mm wrench. Then, remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal and replace the cap, and then set the assembly off to the side, making sure not to touch any metal on the vehicle. The next step is to remove the battery's hold-down bracket. Loosen the fastener using your 10mm wrench. We also recommend a deep well and extension to make this job easier. Then remove the fastener and hold-down bracket. Now we can remove the heat shield and the old battery. Now we can install the replacement battery and heat shield. The next step is to reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket. And tighten its fastener. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery terminals. And your cable connection. Now we're ready to reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten its fastener. And replace the cap. Then, clean any corrosion on the negative battery terminal and its cable connection. And finally, reinstall the cable and tighten its fastener.